Breast cancer is a top type of cancer across the world, but it's not necessarily the leading cause of cancer-related deaths in these countries. In the Philippines, however, breast cancer remains the top killer of women when it comes to cancer. In fact, in Southeast Asia, the Philippines has the highest death due to breast cancer, just falling a little bit short of Brunei. Well, why is this the case? Could be because of the type of treatment that we have. Maybe it's poor healthcare system, but maybe it's more complicated than this. Maybe it's embedded in our DNA. Maybe it's the type of the food that we eat. Maybe what we're exposed to. So it's very important to understand the Filipino lifestyle and relate it to breast cancer in order for us to understand the mortality rate in the Philippines. Well, it's easier said than done. Have you been in our healthcare system lately? Wherein our medical information is still collected manually. You go to your doctor, have your checkup, you fill up this medical information on a piece of paper, and then your doctor says that, well, maybe you need to have your test done. So you go to a different department, fill up a very similar medical information there, and then get your test results, bring it back to your doctor, and then your doctor would see that, oh, you need to do additional tests. Then you look for another department, and then have your test results there done, but then you have to fill up all of this medical information exactly the same as how you originally filled up those medical information. And then if you have multiple tests done, you will do all of this all over again. Well, how you wish that there is just this one system where you can just put all of your medical information there. And then when you need to retrieve all of this information, you just give it to your doctor. Similar to how you put your cash in a bank. But instead of entrusting your money to the bank, you entrust your medical information. And better yet, if you want to donate your medical information and also your biological samples to science so that you can help scientists find treatments for breast cancer, you can easily do so. Maybe simple as sending your information to the scientists, kind of like how you send cash, like Gcash, to another scientist. But instead of cash, you send out your information. This is the whole idea behind the project, the Biobank project, initially funded by Ched Vicari, and now sustained by the USD projects. In this particular project, we have already stored multiple medical information, also stored their associated biological specimen, like cells. We can now grow cancer cells, and also blood samples that we can use to analyze breast cancer and related to exposures of patients. In fact, in this particular project, we were able to identify multiple chemicals that are found in plastics that are also found in Filipino women circulating in the body. And some of these plastic chemicals can go as high as almost 100-fold higher compared to women in the US. Imagine plastic circulating in the body. And some of these chemicals are also elevated in women with breast cancer. So with all of this information, with this biobank, we can now explore the Filipino lifestyle and maybe the DNA found in Filipinos and related to breast cancer. The wealth of a country is not only measured by the amount of money you can put in a bank, but it can also be measured of how much information you can store in a bank, and then be able to retrieve those information to help treat diseases and help improve the health of the population. Thank you.